Hello again. I hope life is treating you well, and we are going to get into this makeup. I'm going to use the Dior Backstage Primer because I want my skin to be glowy but not like too glowy, because I'm going to go in with the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation, and that's quite glowy, so I want to kind of just neutralize a little bit of the glow. I've been wearing the same foundations for a few years now. Like, I go through the same phase of foundations, which is this, the Light Reflecting. I do actually love I love the other one, the Natural Radiant, which I haven't used in a while actually. I must get a new one of them. But yeah, the Natural Radiant, and then the Dior Forever Skin Glow. They're kind of just like my go-tos that I gravitate towards all the time. But I mean, if there's anything new that you love, let me know. So I'd like to try some new ones. I am a creature of habit. When I find products that work, that I love, like, I will just use them over and over and over and over and over and over again. I mean, if you are someone who watches most of my tutorials, you will already know that. Now, contour. You know the drill. NARS Creamy Bronzer. I was going to say Creamy Radiant Bronzer. Just their bronzing cream. Just going to go right along my cheekbones. Dust it around my nose. My concealer will clean that up. I'm just, whatever's on my brush, I'm just going around my hairline here, because when my roots are freshly done, I don't like to bronze too much around there, because it ends up just getting into my hair. It's been so cold today. I woke up this morning, it was 2 degrees. Okay, I'm not going to do cream blush today, so I'm going to go in with my concealer. This is the Dior Forever Skin Correct. Again, another favourite. Dior concealers are definitely my favourite. This one and the Backstage one, they just look so nice on the skin. I like to do that just to tidy up my contour. How cute are these earrings, by the way? I know, I bought them where we're not allowed to shop. They don't give out to me, but I got them from Shein. I was actually googling like large heart earrings. They popped up and I think they were like $4. So I was like, you know, I'm gonna try it and see how they look. And I mean, they're really, really cute. So I'm sorry I did a bad thing. Now I'm gonna set using my good old trusty Huda Beauty powder. I'm going with the loose powder today. This is the shade Cupcake. Cupcake and Pound Cake are the two shades that I go between. Sorry, I always forget to mention the shades that I'm using. The foundation was Vienna. I always use Vienna with NARS foundations. And my concealer was 1N. I go between 1N and 2N with the Dior concealers. Usually with that one, it's 1N, and then the Backstage concealer, it's 2N. Okay, I just got a package from Dior. And first off, look how pretty the bag is. This is their Christmas or their holiday collection. The most exciting part is that they sent me the clutch. You know, the gold makeup clutch. If you follow Dior beauty lovers, you would have seen this. I'll do a video with the lipsticks inside the clutch, maybe for like a reel or something like that. I mean, I've been on Dior PR for a few years now, and every single time I get a Dior package to the door, I am never not excited. AKA, I'm excited. It's just like so luxe and elegant. I can't wait to open that clutch. Maybe I'll do a full face of Dior makeup. I don't think I've done that here. Have I? I probably have. I know I've done them for Instagram, but I don't know if I have done a YouTube. Anyway, let me know if you want to see a full face of Dior. I'm going to use the Hourglass palette again today. This is the leopard one. I'm going to bronze, and I think I'm going to use this blush. We'll try that one anyway, see how it looks. And then a little bit of the highlight just along my cheekbone. I love when I get a face palette that actually has colours in it that I know I'm going to use a lot of. Yeah, so let's try this blush. Subtle, but you can see it. A little bit of the highlight. Ooh, she's shiny. I have this eyeshadow from MAC that I used to use all the time, which is the shade Antiqued. So it's that like rustic metallic type of shade. I don't really know how to describe that. I would kind of say rustic. And then I also have this one called Coppering, which in the name a little bit more coppery. So I might mix those two. I was initially thinking cranberry eyes, but then I thought of this shade that I used to be obsessed with. So we're going to do this instead. So I'm going to go in with a base first. This is the Laura Mercier Forbidden Rose Caviar Eye Stick, which is a nice metallic coppery shade. So it will be a perfect base for our eyeshadow. This one's something basically that's going to help enhance the eyeshadow, make it pop more. And now going in with the shade Antiqued. I'm going to take some of the shade Coppering, just add that to the center of the lid. I'm going in with this palette from Florasis. How beautiful is that? I mean, the colors, everything. Look at that detail. So I just want to use a little bit of this shade. Just kind of go into the crease and blend anything. I like this eyeshadow palette for that because it's not full on matte. It's more like a satin type of finish. So I just really like to use this palette over my shimmers, because if I went in with a matte over this, it can look a bit mucky. But also I just want to show you how pigmented this is. This one is pigmented. Look how gorgeous they are. Stunning. They were these two shades, by the way. Okay, I'm going in with my brown eyeliner. Sorry, I know there's a lot of background noise. There's fucking leaf blowers out there. That leaf blowing machine wrecks my head so much. I can't even hate. I don't hate a lot of things, but I hate that. It's just one of those noises that irritates the shit out of me because it's just so unnecessarily loud. Like, it pisses me off. It wrecks the cat's heads. Like, just stop. So I'm not going to go too heavy underneath the eye like I usually would. We're just keeping it a little bit more sleek. Like, see the way it's kind of just bringing the eye like this? This eyeliner is from Bare Minerals. It's shade Topaz. I love these eyeliners. They're really good, creamy, smooth. They don't irritate my eyes. I'm going to take a little bit more of the Antiqued eyeshadow. Just a little bit on a small fluffy brush. And just kind of very lightly going over the liner underneath. Just adding a little outer wing with that brown liner as well. I am going to put some lashes on today. I'm going to use my corner lashes. Taking a little bit of this shade here. It has glitter reflex in it, which just makes everything pop. I have a new lip liner that I've been using that I love. It's a Makeup Forever pencil. Shade is Whatever Walnut. I'm not going to use Dollface lipstick today. Really want to, but I won't. I'm going to take this lipstick from Dior, the Rouge Dior shade 215. It's just like this soft matte nude. Dot it over. I'm going to take just a little bit of lip balm. And that's it, my little friends. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.